Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tira J. Alright y'all, so today is supposed to be the vlog that is a continuation of the vlog that I would have posted before this one. Y'all, I don't know. I've been sick. I haven't been feeling well. But that's not gonna stop me from getting these videos out, But I've been taking it easy. I gotta take it easy. But today, I don't know, it's just a peaceful day and I'm here taking photos. So that's basically what we're doing today. And yeah, it's just a peaceful day today, man. The weather is great. The weather is great. I am grateful. So that's why I out there. That's why I out there. So whenever there's good weather, Tira's gonna post. Well, outside that is. I don't know. I want to do a Q&A. I don't know if you guys would like that. I guess you could let me know. You want to get to know a little bit about me, a little bit more about me, because I've been saying things here and there about myself. Sorry if it seems that I'm shouting. The river's right there. I've been at a standstill for some time, like kind of a block, you know what I mean? Like I have stuff that I want to do, but there are some things that are in the way that are kind of putting a stop to it for now, because there are videos like I sat down and I brainstormed some videos. It's just crazy, man. But if you like nature, join me. Let's go. And there's not gonna be much talking done. So yeah. Let's go. Well guys, that's the end of this video. We made it to our final destination, which would be the mini falls, I call it. But yeah, not a long video today. Just decided to get out the house because I haven't been feeling well. I'm just not up for a lot. So because I'm scheduled to post on Fridays, just a little something for y'all, because I love y'all and I want to stay consistent and I want to continue to be disciplined and I want to reach my goals. So even though I don't feel 100%, I will push as much as I can to get these videos out. But I love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. And y'all, don't forget about the giveaway. The information will be in the description box below and also in the comments for those who don't check the description box. So yeah, I love y'all. Peace.